Hello everyone and welcome to video series on Learn Turkmen for Beginner. This series are for A1 or the beginner's level. Throughout the videos we will be working on this pattern. First Turkmen word will appear on the top where the English translation will follow below. So let's begin. Sapak bir. Sapak bir. Salamlaşık. Salamlaşık. In this video, we're going to discuss different forms of greetings in Turkmen language. Greetings will give you a feeling of a Turkmen pronunciation. And to have a good command of the language, repeat what you listen a few times. So, here's the one. Salam. Salam. This is the most common phrase among the people. When you say salam, make sure you offer a firm handshake as well, usually done to your same genders. And if you want to show respect to the elderly people, and if you're young, you can also say Salam alaikum, like in Arabs, because it is influenced from the Arab language. Let's learn some greetings that can be used only during particular time of the day. So let's start. Ertiriniz hayırlı bolsun. Or ertiring hayırlı bolsun. Here you will see I put some letters in parentheses because it changes whom you are talking to. So as a respect, if you want to show a respect to a person, like which is usually done for the elderly people, you should add is or us, which I add in the parenthesis word. So if you're talking to elderly people, you should say ertiriniz hayırlı bolsun. Or if you are talking to a group of people, of course, ertiriniz hayırlı bolsun. But if you are talking to your friend, almost same age as you or the younger people, you can say ertirin hayırlı bolsun, which shows the singularity. Ertirin hayırlı bolsun. Or as a short form, you can also say ertirin hayır. Ertirin hayır. In Turkmen language, usually in families member, we say go yatıp turdun mu? Like as a good morning. Like we don't say good morning, but we ask if the person well slept or not, as a showing the good morning. So let's repeat. Go yatıp turdunuz mu? If you are, which shows the plurality. For a singularity, go yatıp turdun mu? Next one. Gününüz hayırlı bolsun. Gününüz hayırlı bolsun. This can be used any time of the day. So in English language, this is not a common phrase to say good day, but in Latin languages it is so common. So I added just to make sure you understand it. Akşamınız hayırlı bolsun. Akşamınız hayırlı bolsun. Giyeceğiniz hayırlı bolsun. Giyeceğiniz hayırlı bolsun. Maybe you already caught the pattern here. So hayırlı bolsun, it's like a wish. Be a good Giyeceğiniz hayırlı bolsun. And as a good night, like sleep well, we can use sağaman yatıp tur. Sağaman yatıp tur. Or if you are referring to multiple people, sağaman yatıp turun. You add the letters in parentheses as well, which shows plural form. Sağaman yatıp turun. Sağ ol. Sağ ol, which means bye. So here we don't say thagbol. We don't make it hard. We make it softer because of the two consonant letters came, g and b. So we make softer the b, which turns to the w. Thawal. Thawal. Or also you can say hush. Hush. Another word, hoşgal. Hoşgal. This is the most common görüşençak. Görüşençak. You use this phrase when you meet with someone and you are about to separate both of you to your own way. So you use this form usually in a physical form, okay? Görüşençak. Once again, görüşençak. Or you can also add soon in front, which means bakım. Bakım görüşençak. Bakım görüşençak. You might hear some people say basım görüşençak. It's also correct. So once again, basım görüşençak. This phrase usually used on phone when you say bye. So haberleşençak. Or you can say haberleşerz. Once again, haberleşençak. Or haberleşerz. Haberleşerz. Here is the summary of the phrases that we used. Now, let's repeat from the beginning. Salam. Salam. Ertirin hayırlı bolsun. Ertirin hayırlı bolsun. Go'u yatıp turdunuz mu? Go'u yatıp turdunuz mu? Akşamın hayırlı bolsun. Akşamın hayırlı bolsun. Gününüz hayırlı bolsun. Gününüz hayırlı bolsun. Giyeceğiniz hayırlı bolsun. Giyeceğiniz hayırlı bolsun. Sağaman yatıp turun. Sağaman yatıp turun. Sağ olun. Sağ olun. Hoş. Hoş. Hoş kal. Hoş kal. Görüşençak. Görüşençak. Bakım görüşençak. Bakım görüşençak. Haberleşençak. Or haberleşerz. Thank you for listening. Hope this will help you to learn some phrases in Turkmen language. Have a nice day. See you on the next video.